Summer's here. And if you're like most women, you're about to waste hundreds of dollars on products that fall apart by July, melt in your car, or sit in a drawer because they just didn't work. The sunscreen that breaks you out, the cooling sheets that somehow trap heat, the cute sandals that destroy your feet by noon. You're tired of guessing, tired of returning things, and tired of feeling like every summer purchase is a gamble. So here's the deal. I walked every aisle of Costco so you don't have to. These are the 7 summer essentials that are actually worth your money. And number 4 is the one nobody talks about, but it might be the single best thing you buy all season. Let's get into it. 1. Sunscreen. First up, a mineral sunscreen that doesn't leave that ghostly white cast or make your face feel like it's wrapped in plastic. Most women are still using a drugstore bottle that's basically expired chemicals, and your skin pays for it. The one at Costco comes in a multi-pack for less than what you'd pay for a single tube at the mall, and it actually layers under makeup. Stock up now, because here's the thing, it sells out the second the temperature hits 90. But protecting your face is one problem. Keeping your whole body cool is another, and that's where number 2 comes in. 2. Cooling bedding, cooling bamboo sheets. If you've been waking up sweaty, kicking off your blanket at 3 a.m., and blaming your thermostat, it's not you, it's your sheets. Cotton traps heat. These breathable bamboo sets wick moisture and stay cool all night. And Costco's price is honestly a fraction of the fancy online brands charging triple for the exact same thing. Better sleep changes everything about your summer. But what about the moment you step out the door into that wall of heat? You're going to want number 3. Insulated tumbler. A premium insulated tumbler. The kind that keeps ice frozen for literally 24 hours, even left in a hot car. You've spent money on cheap cups that sweat all over your bag and go lukewarm in 20 minutes. This one doesn't. And Costco sells the name brand version, or a nearly identical dupe, for way less than the trendy stores. Hydration sorted? Now here's the one I promised you. The sleeper hit that almost nobody puts on these lists. 4. The secret essential. A UPF sun shirt. Yes, a lightweight long sleeve. I know what you're thinking, long sleeves in summer? But this is the secret women with great skin have known for years. It blocks the sun better than any sunscreen, it's feather light, it's breathable, and it means no reapplying lotion every 2 hours at the beach. Costco quietly stocks these for a fraction of the boutique price, and once you own one, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Trust me on this one. But sun protection means nothing if your feet are miserable. Which brings us to number 5. Sandals. Supportive, cushioned sandals. The kind you can walk all day in without that aching arch and those screaming blisters by lunchtime. Most cute summer shoes are basically cardboard. Costco carries orthopedic quality sandals that look good and save your feet, and they go fast. Your feet are happy. Now, let's make sure the rest of you stays cool and protected outdoors. 6. Patio shade. A pop-up canopy or patio umbrella. Whether it's the beach, the backyard, or your kid's soccer game, you need shade you can carry. Costco's outdoor setups are sturdy enough to survive real wind, unlike the flimsy ones that flip inside out on the first breeze. But there's one last thing that ties your whole summer together, and it's the one most women forget until it's too late. 7. Skincare. After Sun. A big tub of After Sun aloe and hydrating body lotion. Because all that sun, salt, and chlorine quietly wrecks your skin, and you won't notice until you're peeling and dry in August. Costco's value-sized jars last all season for the price of one tiny bottle elsewhere. So there you have it. 7 essentials that'll save you money and headaches all summer. Which one are you grabbing first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to follow so you never overpay again.